Hello everyone, welcome back to English Connection. Today we will learn something new. Today we will see some words which have same sound but different spelling. Now let's see some words. Sleep and sleep, stick and stick, leave and leave, ship and ship, meet and meet, write and write, dear and dear, see and see, week and week, sun and sun, check and check, die and die, where and where, there and there, night and night, two and two, heart and heart, hour and hour, tail and tail, feet and feet, seat and seat, full and full, by and by on by, heel and heel. Now, this was a short video on a simple topic. So, let's see what's coming next. Stay tuned and follow.